See, actually, there was QlikView, what you can see over here, and QlikView has both free and also the cloud version and also the desktop like version where you can implement something like a Tableau. Okay. And also there is something called the QlikSense which was implemented. Okay. With some sort of, keeping everything in mind to work as a part of and something just like a visualization purpose. Okay. It's cloud and all kind of stuff, but still we are looking forward to work with the QlikView only. Okay, if you wanted to have the personal edition of the QlikView, you can always get it. Okay, so let me just show you this QlikView. See, whenever you see this one, you can get this personal edition. Okay, you can, sorry, I'm just clicking on this one, QlikView. So here when you see the QlikView, it is still showing you. If you can identify this one, you just click on. So it is highlighted. It's a mistake actually here. Download QlikView and this one. Try or buy. So QlikSense. This is a QlikSense which is being highlighted from the QlikView. They're looking forward in order to slowly submerge the QlikView kind of stuff into the QlikSense. Okay. So just let me give some of the entries and let me just download this part. So I'm going to do the installation of the QlikView here, and the setup will perform an upgrade of QlikView November 2018. Yes, I want to continue. And this is going to extract that MSI file. Now let's go to the next. Once it was done, yes. So it is installed. So here you can take a look at this one. This is the main real interface of the QlikView software, where this will not look like something like a drag and drop, but still it is having some different behavior, something just like a ETL tool or data transformation tool and all, and then you can apply this one into the visualizations. Okay, so this is what the installation part that we can do first of all, and let me know, like, I think only you have connected today's session. Okay, fine. I think like at least we have the Prashanti, and where she already told me that she is completely tied up with the work, and Satya is not sure whether he's there inside today. She told that Prashanti told that she's going to attend. Okay, so anyhow, this is the installation that we have made. Okay, and I will the very first thing that we will do generally with the BI tool is data extraction, right? So how do we extract the data using the Excel sheets, and how do we extract the data from using the Oracle database connection? Okay, usually that is how that we will do it. Okay, and later on we have to understand different types. So there, see, this looks in a different way. It is not something just like a Power BI or a Tableau. It will not look something like that. Okay, but you can make it to look like that little bit. But this cannot, you know, you can't compare straight away like that. So if I'm going to open this movie database, so this is a kind of stuff like you can create. These are the things that you can create, a kind of visualization segments. This is a little bit different, the analysis segment. When you click on this one, it is going to show you something that buttons. Okay, something like this. It will show you the changed kind of stuff. Yeah, it is having the inbuilt data. Yes, right. So whatever that I've opened, you can always close the respective connections one by one. Something like this. Whatever you have seen. For example, getting started. So this is a one sort of, you know, a project that you can see. So if I'm going to select the athletic, see the way it is showing you the analytics is completely different. The tabular and the bar visualizations, right or wrong? So if I'm going to select only this one, you're going to get the different kind of stuff. So these kind of selections based upon the characteristics. See, men. When I'm going to select only the men, it's going to give you the respective analytics based upon the men. Okay. So this is how it will work. And anyhow, that I will show you independently how do we work on this one and all kind of stuff, step by step. Okay. So if you wanted to close this project, go ahead and close. Then you will come to the main page of this one. Okay. And also, when it comes to our part, there is something even retail store performance. Okay, even this is also the same kind of stuff. Dashboard, you can have the tabbed pane, something like this, and you can provide all these analytics. See? Clustered analytics and the line graphs and all kind of stuff. Why I'm just showing you all these things as a sample. Okay, we will work on these things. Yeah, exactly, Suresh. Yeah, my baby boy. Yeah, he's just sitting behind me basically. Okay, fine. So here's this fresh food sales and the total sales. How you can, you know, if you wanted to explore only Japan, see how exactly it is going ahead. Germany, Nordic, Japan, Spain. Okay, selections, individual selections, and you can see the notch over here. And if you want to detach, okay, you can remove this part. If you want to remove, you can remove this part. If you want to detach, you can detach this part. Clear all selections. You will get as usual, however you want. Got it? If you want to check only the January month of sales, this one. So in our working example, we will be trying to build the same thing using the sample store or some other stuff. Okay, table level and individual, you know, this kind of stuff. But you know what I wanted to say, like this is a little bit of different style of representing the business analytics when you compare it to the Tableau and Power BI. If you observe that one, the way the quality, definitely you should see the differentiation, but this way is different completely. A tabular model, okay, but you can always build this kind of stuff even in Tableau and Power BI, right or wrong? When you collectively make up everything, you can always try differentiating them. Okay, but this looks a little bit different for you. I mean to say, like, in terms of the stylish user environment, user interface, this will definitely lag the stylish user interface. Okay. So if you want to remove this toolbar, you can always try removing these sheets. Okay. These are the kind of stuff that you can increase and decrease the sales. Okay. You can see the clusters, budget and all. But visualizations and all, they are not on par with the Tableau and Power BI. Okay. But still, QlikView has its own market. See, market share of Tableau, Power BI, and see, according to the Alexa will capture the main data. Okay, that's why I'm selecting this one. So top 1 million, and if you can see that 100K represents 1 lakh. Top 100, out of top 100, its market share is 12%. Otherwise, if you make it top 1 million companies, so there are some current 5,918 websites with the Tableau stuff. Okay, and so this is how it is taking the market share. So it is showing the market share which is having 12.24% when it's compared to the Tableau. Okay, fact set, SAP Crystal, SQL Server reporting, SSRS, and Tableau public. Why? Because Tableau public is open source for everyone, right? You can work even for free. Okay, so Tableau is the main leader. Data analytics leader is Tableau. Then next it comes with the Power BI. Okay, and it is not showing even. Let us make it market evaluation in India. This is something like this. So Tableau is the mostly used stuff in Power BI. Why? Because that's why the QlikView has become a little bit old, and in terms of, but in terms of the implementation, this is good. Okay, if you wanted to close this one, go to close, just say no. That's it. This is the first project is not there. Sales is there? No. ABC is there? No. I think I have deleted them. Right. Okay. These are my past projects, I think. Click data market. Cloud-based data means even QlikView has implemented the cloud-based data working nature where you can implement on this one. So but the best cloud what I wanted to suggest is only Tableau and Power BI. Even I don't wanted to suggest QlikView also, but you know, the old projects which are using the QlikView, which are following the QlikView, even their management follows the QlikView. For them, it will become unique for you. Like resource will not, they can't get the resource that easy on QlikView. So hence I picked even this QlikView as one of the course content. Okay, so that it will be benefited for the people who wanted to go based upon the data analytics part. Okay, so even I wanted to close this one. But you know, the very one thing which is common with everyone, every part of this Tableau or QlikView or Power BI, see, the data extraction is common. Okay, and modifying the data, I mean to say implementing the functions and calculations. Once you do these things, you will have your data ready, and then visualizations. Okay, and then dashboarding. So is there any change in this regular format? You tell me. Apart from this data extraction and applying some transformations and making them used for the visualizations, finally publishing into a dashboard kind of stuff. This is a regular process where you will find in each and every tool, but the implementation or the selection of the options is quite different, right? Okay, so yeah, so hence we will go in the same way. Okay, and so actually my agenda is today I thought of, you know, covering even data extraction. Okay, let me go ahead with tomorrow's session, like data extraction and some sort of, I wanted to show you data extraction even with the Oracle data. Okay, and how to work with the Oracle data with the QlikView. I mean to say different data formats are there, and some basic visualization, like how do we create a bar chart. Okay, and some table chart and bar chart. And you know, bar chart is a visualization chart, and whereas the table chart is normal chart, right? When you select one particular entity in the table chart, you should be able to replicate the respective visualization in the bar chart. That kind of, you know, differentiation that you should observe. And anyhow, then we will try to make up even the other stuff, like understanding this QlikView with variant and different options and their windows, and the selection of options and all needs to be filtered again. Okay, I will shoot an email to the rest of the guys. Okay, I don't know whether they have thought like today there is a session or not, or otherwise they are intentionally not there in the today's session. Okay, final call, as a final call I will send an email. Okay, and we will kickstart from tomorrow, and I will just go further in a regular format. Why? Because by now we should have understand with the Power BI and the Tableau, we should have understand the easiness of differentiation of individual work. Okay, the only different thing that we are trying here is understanding the options in the QlikView. There is nothing more different that we are trying to get something new. Okay, I'm going to show you the options, that's it. Okay, and rest of the things are same in picture. Yep. Okay, we will meet tomorrow and we will explore many other things. And if you have any questions, you explore them, Suresh. I will just address them. Okay, you don't have now, so fine. So Suresh, you are you are in You're in Hyderabad, or you're connecting from Bangalore or Pune, something like that? Oh, you're currently in Chennai. Okay, fine. Okay, you're currently working on QlikView. Okay. What is the edition? Which kind of edition that you are using generally? Professional, right? I mean, like, or cloud stuff. Cloud, I guess. And all enterprises will prefer the cloud one. Okay, I wanted to ask one question personally, actually, about this cloud. I have seen different rates for the cloud, actually, with multiple environments. When you are passing the data in the QlikView itself, it is showing different rates. Like, there is a fixed charge also here. I have seen. Like, let me show you. Why? Because I haven't seen the corresponding good pricing environment here. See, it is showing you the cloud business and cloud basic. Okay, and this is for ClickSense, I think. Yeah, it is ClickSense. Okay, fine. Why? Because it includes all the features, something like this. Why? Because this is the latest environment, ClickSense. So here, how many member of teams that you have? Members in your team? Size of your team. Okay, okay, fine. So for this cloud stuff, okay, you might not have worked, right? Okay, fine. Why? Because if you are going to upload some 1 million records, okay, 1 million records directly for the sake of a visualization segment, for 1 million records where you need to process that using some calculations and all kind of stuff. Okay. Okay. Which coding? Yeah, everyone we have to use the same script, no? I thought like you're trying to tell me like there are some other programming language that you are going to use with this. Yeah, even if you wanted to create new connection, you need to run the QlikView script, right? I will show you anyhow. No, actually for 1 million records, if you are going to use it with cloud, I don't know like how far that is going to be beneficial. That's why I thought of asking you in the cloud. I mean, according to the price, $15 per user per month, you know, uh, that is not, that is not a, very big amount actually per month. Why? Because they will have a lot of companies to work with this. That's why I don't understand like why how they are running this kind of stuff. Because cloud means many people. Cloud represents, the kind of, if you have a big data processing power, means I mean to say like, if I'm going to take this QlikView cloud and I'm running the millions of records every day. Okay, why? Because cloud represents the same machine, even he has to share with some other guy, right? Okay, and those people are running very less. And how he is making this kind of segregation and the pricing when he is going to charge $15 user per user per month is really, I didn't understand the revenue model that he's following. Or is he, why? Because there is no difference with the desktop and the cloud, but the only thing is processing power and the difference. This is what the difference. Yeah, so that's why I thought of asking you when I thought like you are a QlikView programmer or something else. If you are using the cloud, then oh, okay, fine, fine. So what part that you will work on in the QlikView? Okay, fine, right. We will meet again tomorrow, Suresh. Okay, and then we will discuss about this QlikView.